Confused about what type of insurance you need? You're in the right place. Welcome to the ultimate cover guide on car insurance cover. In the UK, there are three main types of car insurance cover: third party fire and theft, and comprehensive. Each type of policy has a different level of protection, and the best one for you will depend on how much cover you need. Here's how they all work. Let's start with third party insurance. It's the minimum amount of cover you legally need to drive in the UK. Third-party policies will cover you for any damage you might cause to other people's vehicles or property. If it's your fault, you won't be able to claim on your own car. If another driver is at fault and causes damage to your car, you'll need to claim off their insurance policy rather than your own. If you're in a crash only involving your car, for example, you hit a tree, you won't be able to claim for the damage on your vehicle. Just make sure you think about if you can afford the cost of repairs if the worst was to happen, especially if you drive a newer or expensive car. Now, let's talk about third-party fire and theft. As the name suggests, third-party fire and theft would give you slightly more coverage than a third-party policy. As well as protecting other people's property, it also provides coverage for your vehicle if it is damaged by fire or stolen. However, like third-party insurance, it doesn't cover you in the case that you have an accident that is your fault. Finally, let's talk about comprehensive insurance. This covers everything covered by third-party and third-party fire and theft, and also covers your vehicle. Some comprehensive car insurance policies also provides cover against things like vandalism. Weirdly, it could be cheaper to buy a comprehensive policy than it would be to get a third-party or third-party fire and theft. With most things in life, you pay more for the premium version. Insurance works a bit differently though. Your policy price is based on how risky you are and how likely you are to make a claim. Drivers with third-party and third-party fire and theft policies are, statistically, more likely to get involved in an incident. So these policies tend to be more expensive than comprehensive ones. It's always worth shopping around to see how much these different types of insurance could cost you. While you're here, let's talk about Cuvva's temporary and subscription policies. All our policies are comprehensive. This means you're covered for damage to your car as well as other people's cars. Temporary policies mean you can insure from as little as an hour up to 28 days. These policies are perfect for splitting a long drive with a friend or borrowing a friend or family member's car to run some errands. Cover subscriptions are pay monthly, but unlike traditional monthly policies, you aren't just splitting an annual policy by 12. Instead, you're only paying for what you use, with no nasty hidden fees or deposits. Click the link in the description to find out more and follow us for even more tips and tricks. Happy driving!